Hey guys, Harrison here from Tool Talk, and today on Tool Talk TV we're going to be doing an unboxing of the DeWalt DCD785P2T Cordless Combi drill. Just before we open it up though, please remember I am not a trades professional, so I'm literally just going to be showing you what is in the box. Now with that out of the way, let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, we need to make the cable tie. Let's open this bad boy up. Sturdy clips. I believe this actually also stacks on other DeWalt kits that you have as well, so you can stack them tall, nice and high in your van or wherever for nice, simple, easy storage. And then inside, instruction manual. And then, there we go, that's the bad boy. Let's have a look what we've got. We have charger, spare 5-amp battery, and finally the pièce de résistance, the drill. Well, it's got some kick to it. So there we have it. That is your DeWalt DCD785P2T Cordless Combi drill, 2 5-amp batteries, charger, and of course the drill. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on more unboxings, product reviews from our Testers Club, product demos with brands, and much more. If you're not already part of Tool Talk where you can save money on the tools you love, click the link in the description, download the app, and join Tool Talk for free today.